If you are going to invest a significant amount of money in a recreational vehicle, then you might have the expectation that you will be able to take it out whenever you want, regardless of the weather. It is possible that you would like to have a comfortable environment during the summer months, a warm environment during the winter months, and everything in between. In this video, we are going to talk about 4-season travel trailers. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 5. Lite Camp Lite Travel Trailer. Although Camp Lite may not be the first option that comes to mind, we believe that the Lite Camp Lite Travel Trailer is an excellent addition to our 4-season camper and recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade their camping experience. Camp Lite offers a total of 10 different floor plans, with some of our favorites including the CL14DB and the CL11FK. You have the option of configuring it to accommodate anywhere from 2 to 6 people in a comfortable manner while still keeping it robust and simple to operate. The travel trailer has windows with 2 panes of glass, which help to keep the interior warm, and full blinds, which block the sunlight and make the interior cooler. When things start to become much cooler, the furnace and a sufficient amount of insulation will ensure that you will continue to have a comfortable environment no matter what the weather is like outside. In the event that this is not more than sufficient, the Camp Lite is well known for its long-lasting construction, and it comes with a variety of upgrade choices to choose from. Our opinion is that it is a very capable travel trailer that can be used in all 4 seasons. Features: 10 floor plans allowing versatile living. Windows that include a double pane and blinds that are built right in. Strong heating device. 100% aluminum construction. Outside speakers that are protected from the elements and have lights. A number of different color options for the inside. Number 4. Lance Travel Trailer. There's a solid reason why we've mentioned the Lance brand more than once in the pieces that came before this one. Travel trailers manufactured by Lance are equipped with a number of convenient amenities, making them an excellent choice for use in any climate. They are offered in a variety of adaptable floor plans that make it possible to build comfortable and fun interiors. These floor designs are ideal for individuals who are interested in taking the trailer out regardless of what the weather is doing. The Lance, much like the Camp Lite described before, has windows that are equipped with 2 panes of glass. In addition to this, they include azital walls, which strengthen the insulating capabilities of the building. If that is not sufficient to satisfy your demands, there is a wide variety of supplemental equipment that will raise its level of comfort when exposed to severe weather. In terms of convenience and amusement, you may make use of a number of features, such as a capable heater, exterior speakers and lighting, and an entertainment system, to name just a few. Features: the 11 different floor designs provide a variety of adaptable living configurations. Windows made of acrylic that is both tinted and insulated. Walls throughout are insulated with double layers of foam. Sturdy aluminum frame. Cabinetry and storage space that exudes luxury. Number 3. Forest River Flagstaff Microlight Travel Trailer. One option for a travel trailer that is suitable for all 4 seasons. The Forest River Flagstaff Microlight Travel Trailer is cozy, inviting, and lightweight. They are offered in an astounding 17 different floor layouts, each of which satisfies a significant number of the prerequisites for being categorized as a 4-season travel trailer. One of the many positive aspects of Flagstaff is its opulent interior, which features high-end appliances and furnishings. Other positive aspects include: the Flagstaff comes with an optional set of weatherproof windows called thermopane, walls that are double insulated, and a solid aluminum frame that provides the building with the strength and durability it needs to endure the elements. These features can be found on the Flagstaff. The travel trailer comes with a broad selection of customization options in addition to these characteristics. These options range from the type of heater that can be placed to the color of paint that can be used on the interior walls of the travel trailer. Features: an astonishing 17 different floor plans to choose from. A furnace that includes ducting, controlled from a centralized location. A range enhancer that enables a Wi-Fi network to cover a large area. Sidewalls that are ornamented in an appealing manner. Windows with a tint. Number 2. Jayco Jflight SLX Travel Trailer. Although Jayco offers a large selection of travel trailers, we believe that the Jflight SLX travel trailer is the best option for 4-season camping and are pleased to propose it to you. There are 17 distinct floor plans available for Jayco, which is more than enough to ensure that you will be able to choose something that is suitable for your needs. The trailers come with an impressive assortment of amenities, enhancements, and, most importantly, elements that protect them from the elements. Look for floor plans that have bunk beds if you need to sleep more people than that, as most floor plans can comfortably accommodate 4 adults. You don't need to be an expert to see that extra care has been paid to the construction and insulation if we take a closer look at the features and appearance of this product. The travel trailer is outfitted with insulated reflective foil, which ensures that the maximum amount of heat is reflected back into the recreational vehicle. You have the option to upgrade to the Canadian RV standard, which nearly guarantees that you will remain warm regardless of what the weather is happening outside. If you make this choice, however, you should be aware that this will cost you more money. The fact that the frame of the Jayco is made entirely of aluminum and that it is supported by beams ensures that it will be able to withstand virtually any challenge that is thrown its way. Your trailer is going to be destroyed if it goes over a pothole. Features: 17 distinct floor plans, reinforced edging on the perimeter, insulation that is reflective on both sides, electric slide-outs that are simple to operate, a luxurious cabinet and storage space made of wood, a furnace that is both powerful and efficient. Number 1. Dutchman Aspen Trail Travel Trailer. Because there are an astonishing 36 different floor plans available, even the pickiest of consumers are sure to discover something that satisfies their requirements. We are particularly fond of the Aspen Trail 1600RB and the Aspen Trail 1700BH because both of these models provide a significant amount of space and are very functional. The majority of the floor layout provides comfortable sleeping accommodations for 4 adults, and this is contained within a trailer that measures only 21 feet in length. Hence, it is ideal for individuals who take day trips or who have restricted rooms at their homes for storage. The Aspen trailer performs remarkably well when used as a travel trailer for all 4 seasons. Even when the temperature outside is sub-zero, the residents of the dwelling are kept toasty and comfortable by a heated underbelly as well as a robust furnace. This is the travel trailer for you if you need to travel to places where the temperature lowers at night, such as the mountains or the desert. Even though it performs exceptionally well in any climate, the Aspen is still a high-end travel trailer. The centralized command center, skylights, and premium beds are features that really wow us. You have access to a variety of other alternatives that you can select from if you so like. Features: there are a whopping 36 different floor plans available to pick from. Aerodynamic design, strong heating device, outdoor speakers that are resistant to the elements, satellite TV input that has already been inserted. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.